this amazing playroom! Look at this box of toys! Oh, I love popping bubble wrap! Ugh, this playroom is so dull! Ooh, what's in this box? Poppets? Boring! Ugh, I guess there's nothing else fun to do. You wanna play with my bubble wrap? Ugh, no thanks. There's gotta be something in this box. These toy cars are great! Vroom! Are you kidding? Those are dumb! These are the toy cars that are awesome! Yes! They turned into a unicorn! Wow! That's incredible! Maybe mine can transform too! Here they go! Oh no! It didn't work! What am I gonna do? Oh, now I feel bad for her. Hey look! You can have this car part of my unicorn! For me? Really? Thank you so much! I'll turn it back into a car! Wow! It's such a cool-looking car, too! Hey! You wanna crash them together? Yes! This is such a cool toy! What's this ball? Ooh, it's fun! Take a look at this! It's all squishy! Wow! That is really neat! You have cool stuff! I know! I absolutely love squeezing it! I wonder what will happen if I pull on one of the bubbles. Ooh, it stretches so far! Ah! Oh no! It broke! Bummer! It's totally ruined! Look what happened to my squishy ball! Oh no! That's terrible! Wait a second. I think I have a solution. I'll take the balloon and cut off the tip. And then other holes too. Okay, I'll need another balloon. A different color too. I'll fill this new balloon with water. Ooh, I'll add some glitter and sparkles too. I'll mix it together and then tie it shut. Make sure it's nice and tight. Yes! It totally works! And it's pretty! Hey! Here you go! I made you something! No way! This is just as cool as my first one! This one is sparkly too! Thank you so much! I absolutely love it! What else is in here? Ooh, looks like it could be interesting. Whoa! It's like a light show! Look, look, look! It's starting to fly! It's almost magical! So amazing! I'm gonna launch it! Yes! It's flying through the air! Hey! Keep your hands off! This is my flying spinner! Okay, fine. Huh. I do have some construction paper. Yep, I think I can do something with it. Time to do some paper folding. Now I'll fold this corner into the center and the other one too. Good! This fold is a little more difficult. I gotta make sure it's lined up right. Good! Now I'll open it again and fold the tip up. It's getting a little more complicated now. Now I need to do another lengthwise fold. It's starting to look good now. Yes! It's done! I made an awesome paper airplane! Let's give it a test flight! Whoa! No way! It's flying so well! Look! Check it out! Here it comes! Duck! It's really soaring up there, isn't it? Hey! Spinner! Hold on! Who needs a spinner when you've got a cool paper airplane? These are so squishy! I could use a drink. Ah, so refreshing. But now it's all gone. Well, don't need this bottle anymore. Wow. This is a really crumpled bottle. Hey! This gives me a great idea! I'll take the cap off of this bottle. And then I'll add some liquid soap to the water inside. That should be enough. Now for the food coloring. I'll just pour some of it into the bottle. Wow! It looks so cool mixing with the water. That's good. Time to shake it up so it mixes. Okay, now I need to get rid of the foam. I'll just squeeze it out. Cap back on and time to crumple the bottle. Yes! My plan totally worked! Hey! Look what I've got over here! Huh? What are you talking about? I made colorful squishy bottles! Ooh, okay. How about I trade you this watermelon? Well, I guess so. I do have two after all. Yes! So squishy and crumbly! Now I have a bottle and a watermelon squishy! Almost done! And yes! I made an origami box! I love boxes! And I love folding paper, too! Ugh, I can't get mine to work at all! I'm so frustrated! It's too hard! No way! Look at all the ones she's made! So cute! And mine's just trash! I don't even want to look at mine anymore. I'm done with folding paper! Time to stack my poppets instead! And here's the last one! Yes! I did it! Whoa! You have so many poppets! Gosh, pressing the poppet looks pretty fun. I wonder if I could do something with paper again. I've got scissors, so I might as well give it a try. One piece of paper becomes 4. Time to start my folding. I'll start with this one, corner to corner. And now to do the same the other direction. I want to make sure the folds are clean. Okay, now I can open it back up again. This next fold is a bit tricky. But the paper should go easily because of the creases. Now for some more corner-to-corner folds. The folds aren't hard though, which is good. Now this tip needs to go to the center. Both ends and both sides too. Then I'll have to open and close it on the other side. The tip goes back into the middle again. Now I'll use this little stick to help me pop these corners open. There's one. And now for a second one. Good. That worked well. Now I'll fold this side in. And do the side of this other pocket too. Great! And I'll fold this top over too. And I'm just about done. Time to open it up. It's like a little box. And now to make a bunch more. Ta-da! Pretty much a rainbow of colors. Phew! Look what I made out of paper! See? They're like little squishy boxes. A paper poppet! Are you kidding me? I hate paper folding! Ugh! Ooh, this stretches out and becomes all wiggly! I'm gonna add some stripes to my kitty's tail. That gives me an idea. Look out! Here comes a little worm! Stop! I'm trying to color here! This is gonna be a great prank! What? Ha! Take a look at this! Isn't this sound wild? It's like a telescope, too! Ugh, whatever. Now if you don't mind, I'm going back to my art. There! What do you think about this? That's not impressive at all. I can do that. Watch! I'll just bend and make the shapes. And then connect their ends, too. There! Ooh! This triangle turned out great! Ta-da! Okay, well let's try something more like this. An infinity sign. Perfect. There! How about this one? Are you kidding? That one's even easier. I'll just connect these together and then open them up. And then I'll just give it a twist. Ooh, it's wavy. But see? I did it! Well, alright then. Good job! Time for an extra hard one. A helix! Okay, I think this'll be easy too. I'll start by stretching these all longer. There we go. Okay, time to figure this out. I'll just twist them together like the picture. Ooh! Let me see it, please! Oh, okay, sure. Here you go. Yes! Now close your eyes! Close my eyes? Well, I guess I can. This is gonna be great! Hey! I can finally draw in peace. Are you good at folding paper? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.